Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour? This explosive release of air is your body's way of getting rid of irritants. When you sneeze, tiny droplets containing mucus and germs can also travel up to 26 feet away. This is why covering your mouth is so important. Interestingly, the body often sneezes to protect itself, triggered by irritants like dust or pollen. Ever felt a tickle in your nose? That's a sign. Sneezing is not just a reflex. It can also be influenced by bright light, known as photic sneeze reflex. Sneezes might seem simple, but they are a fascinating blend of biology and physics. Which fact surprised you the most?